Today I want to show you one perfect OTC strategy where we'll switch between different time frames and we will tell you everything you need to know about scalping. So for this scalping strategy I want to choose just don't change channel, which is a really interesting indicator, and here I want to set up the period for 16. Pretty good. So we see now the position of Donchian has changed a little bit, and that's all that I need here for my OTC strategy. I have already chosen these currencies, but I don't like this percentage payout. This is rather low. So I just want to change this currency pair for one with a much bigger percentage. So I think that this one with fixed tag will be excellent for us, and here I think I'm ready to start my trading session. So I think we can make our first trade on 1 minute time frame, and this is an excellent combination which started comfortable for me, and here I want to make a trade. We're up with $11. So here guys, be ready for put option right now. And yes guys, I'm in the profit. Pretty risky trade, but it's nice. Guys, we still keep this currency pair, but I'm not going to trade here most of the time because today's video is dedicated to OTC currency pairs. So let's go to the first one, New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, and most trades I will do just with these two currency pairs because they are OTC currency pairs. Which is interesting. And here we have this uptrend, which is really perfect. What can be better than such calm uptrend, guys? I will definitely switch to 30 seconds candles, and here I want to make a pretty interesting trade against the direction of the trend with $20. So guys, be ready for put option right now. And guys, it was an excellent entry point on this uptrend when the price was too high, and of course, I expect it will roll back in down direction. So that's perfect. 30 seconds candles, and here I want to make one more trade. You see, I just want to change my time frame again, and we see this. We have 30 seconds candles, but now I want to switch back to an hour time frame, and here I want to get 15 seconds. Yes, 15 seconds candles. Here you can see this situation in a much clearer for us way, and I want to increase my investment. And now I want to trade with $38. So I want same to do this just for 1 minute, and you see my time expiration is 4 times bigger than the duration of the candle. So here be ready for call option right now. Pretty good. You see, this trade can be risky, but again it was an excellent entry point when the price were too low, and after that the price went in up direction, but then it rolled back again. You see that this rules of the market. So that's market psychology that you need to understand in order to trade efficiently. And now I think we can go to the second currency pair, and as we haven't traded here, and yet I want to make a couple of trades here also. So let's see. Oh, pretty good. Let's see the full picture, and it's a period of correction for a long time after this interesting down movement of the candles. Pretty nice. This candle is growing in up direction pretty high, and I really love these 15 seconds candles. They allow me to see all the price movements in details. So here I want to trade with $70, and same for 1 minute. It's a very comfortable time expiration for me, and here be ready for put option right now. So super Excellent, guys! I love this scalping strategy with Donchian channel in these 50 seconds candles. You see the last time frame you choose relatively to your time expiration. The more details you will be able to see on your chart. I think it's a pretty cool way to earn money, but I don't like this short candles and long wicks. So let's get back to the first currency and let's continue our trading session here. New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. Pretty interesting. I think pretty interesting is here, and the candles are pretty rapid. I think 50 seconds candles is really nice, but you should be very cautious. I want to make a trade with $130 and I see a pretty good pattern. So from this point, guys, be ready for call option. Right. Excellent profit. So you see, it's really cool to do trading on such low time frame. But anyway, you see now with 50 seconds, our chart looks like this. But I want to show you this the difference. So you see, remember the position of these candles, and now it's a kind of flat line here. But anyway, here we also see the patterns. But now I decided that we can switch to one other time frame. So let's go there, and I think we can switch to 1 minute time frame back, and this is pretty nice. And here we can now see the details, and you see now the chart look like this. It's absolutely different chart. Absolutely, and we can see these details. But anyway, I think that I can make a pretty good trade here, but as you see, the price fluctuations are so small and I can trade here not more than just with $15. I think this is something that I can afford trading in such risky situation. And here, guys, be ready for call option right now. And guys, we're in a profit again. So that's cool, but you see, the situation was kind of risky. That's why I decided not to risk with my money, and I adhere to the rules of my money management. So what about you? I hope that you do this. And by the way, guys, about my tips for you from me about the signals, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where you can find it for often profitable trades. And we can continue. So let's go to the second currency pair now, because here I want to analyze the situation one more time, and I like the patterns that are forming right now, and they're a little bit different. So I think I can see here a good entry point, and I can get into this deal with $260. So I think it will be rather rational for me, as I can notice this tendency. So guys, be ready for call option right now. Very risky trade, but we're in a profit. So that's good. And then one more thing that I want to tell you about, that you can also switch your time expiration. Let's do it here. I want to switch my time expiration for 2 minutes and to do one more trade. So, but with $480, and from this moment, be ready for call option right now. So guys, cool patterns. You see now the price is going in up direction again, and that's awesome result. I really love these patterns, and I want to make one more trade exactly here. You see, it's a very good combination, and when you set up 1 minute time frame and you do your trades for 2 minutes, when you set up 30 seconds time frame and you do it for 1 minute. So you see such a difference between your time frame and time expression is very comfortable. But now I want to switch back to 1 minute candles, and I'm comfortable with such a time expiration, and it's really good. So here I want to trade with $900. Amazing investment, I think. And here you are ready for call option. Right now. So guys, very good result. I'm on a profit, and so we see the price is constantly going up, and that's amazing. Look at my balance, $1,700 on it, and I'm really excited that I have this strategy with the Donjon channel in different time frames. So I'm just really happy to tell you about how time frames work, and I think I want to get back to New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar, and let's see how the situation is going there. And remember guys, that if you adhere to the rules of the market, you will be in the profit, always be in the profit. So the only thing you should understand is psychology, and here we can notice that the sellers are pushing the price in down direction, and there we can make our profit. So I wanted to trade here with $1,000, which is a pretty good sum, and I can afford myself this. So here be ready for call option right now. And guys, amazing. I'm in the profit again, but that was rather risky because you see the price is going in up direction, step by step, very slowly. But I think that's excellent. And I remind you about my Telegram channel, and it's really very important for me if you can join to my community of traders. I'm doing this for several years, and it's so important for me. So, and meanwhile, let's go to the second currency pair. I want to make one more trade, and I think that's really interesting if the price is going in up direction here or not. And yes guys, you see that here the sellers took over for a while, and they were pushing the price in down direction. You see the wick is above this candle, and I think I would enter this deal. It's an excellent opportunity for me, and let's get into this deal with $2,000. So guys, here be ready for call option right now. Amazing guys, excellent result and good profit. So you see $4,300 on my account, and pretty good result considering the fact that I started just from a very small account. I hope that you like my video and now understand how different time frames work. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also subscribe to my Telegram channel where I post useful tips and useful secrets for your own trades. So guys, I wish you the best day, and remember that small steps are the key to success. So bye bye!